Alright kids, I'm going to play the snare drum part for you. So I'm going to go 2 lines at a time. So the first 2 lines, watch your stickings and your accents, go like this. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 2 E and 3 E and 4 1 2 E and 3 E and 4 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. Now on the second measure and the last measure I just did, I don't care if you do buzzes or double strokes, doesn't matter to me. Alright, here's a little faster. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 2 E and 3 E and 4 1 2 E and 3 E and 4 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. Faster. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 2 E and 3 E and 4 1 2 E and 3 E and 4 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. Once without me counting. Okay, next 2 lines, you got to watch the flams and the dynamics. Okay, so it starts out 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 4 E and a 1 and a E and 3 E and a triple A and. Alright, so the second measure is this. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a E and. Fourth measure, 1 and a E and 3 E and a triple A and. So there's that triplet at the end. Okay, again those 2 lines. Ready and go and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 4 E and a 1 and a E and 3 E and a triple A and. Okay, play those 2 lines without me counting. 1, 2, ready and go and. Okay, now I'm going to do the next 3 lines all together. So we're starting at 29. So 29, it's still piano. You've got 1 and 2 and triple A and 4. Then loud 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 1 triple A 2 triple A and 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. Okay, so measure 29, 1 and 2 and triple A and 4. Okay, then you have a forte measure, which is pretty straight ahead. Okay, the next piano measure, which is right under 29, the rhythm is this: 1 triple A 2 triple A and 4 and a 1. I'll do it again for you. 1 triple A 2 triple A and 4 and a 1. Okay, next measure, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1. Alright, so you got a piano measure, forte measure, 2 piano measures, and then 33 is mezzo piano, 34 is mezzo forte. So I'm going to do the whole 3 lines one more time. Ready and go and 1 and 2 triple A and 4. Loud 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and soft 1 triple A 2 triple A and 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. Okay, faster without me counting. Ready and go and. Okay, now I'm going to play the whole thing slowly with counting, and then I'll play it one time through, just kind of a medium tempo without counting. So here we go. From the beginning, the whole thing. Ready and go and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 2 E and 3 E and 4 1 2 E and 3 E and 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and a 2 3 and a E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and a E and 3 E and a triple A and 1 and 2 and triple A and 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 1 triple A 2 triple A and 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. Now 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. Okay, play the whole thing a little bit quicker. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. All right, so there you go. I'll see you soon.